everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to Fin Reaper Outdoors. Once again, I am out at Fort Morgan. Tons of bait blowing up out here, just bait everywhere. Once they blowing up, I think they're Spanish or ladyfish after them. So we'll see if we can't catch a few of them to kind of pass the time. Other than that, stick around. We'll see if we can't catch a few. Okay, I am right there in them. There we go. There's one. Oh, little bitty Spanish. Yeah, little sucker. Little bitty tiny Spanish. Oh, goodness gracious, you're slippery. Looks like somebody's got something hooked up there. They're yelling, hooting, and hollering. But I don't see, I bet it's a stingray. See a Spanish? Yeah, it's probably a stingray would be my guess. So they got lucky and caught one blind casting. Spoon's messed up. Oh, no, there's another one. Oh, she's still there. He came off. Yeah, I would almost bet that's a stingray. Oh, there's another fish. That's maybe a little better fish. I don't know what that is. Catfish, probably. Baby shark. Another little bitty tiny Spanish. Man, where's your bigger mama and dad, brother and sisters at? Goodness gracious. Done a number on yourself there, pal. All right, he gone. I mean, I'll do this all day. I mean, catching jacks is fun, but hey, these Spanish on light tackle, if I can catch, you know, a bunch of them, I'm all for that. I need a, oh, there's one, hit me, oh, there he is, there he is. This might be a little bit bigger or better fish. You know, he's foul hooked. I think he's foul hooked, yeah. He's foul hooked. Well, whatever. All right, that's a, ow, gosh, stabbed myself. Get out of there. I mean, Spanish shore are pretty fish. They got some big old teeth on them. Well, not big old teeth, but they're sharp little razor teeth. All right, let's see if we can do three. Oh, three. Come on. Well, two have hit it and got off. So I was going to be 3 in a row there. I think that's 3. That would have been 3 casts, 3 in a row. I've got some other guys that are getting their Spanish rigs and getting out here. So, I mean, this is why I drag all my gear out here, you know, because right now, if I had just my jack rod, I'd be sitting there, you know, just doing nothing, waiting on jacks to blow up. Well, you know, at least I can goof off with these Spanish. Oh, there he is. The Spanish are on fire. Actually, I think I foul hooked a LY or something here. Yep, nope. Holy cow. Man, baby Spanish. Man, I've been wanting to put a king rod out like on a balloon. This would be the the bait for that. For sure. Oh, there he is. Oh, they are everywhere out there. It's funny because I just said I have had such a hard time catching Spanish this year, and I wouldn't really call these. I mean, these are babies. So even if I was keeping fish today, I wouldn't be keeping these. They're just too small. I like eating Spanish, but they're just too small. Oh, what we got going on here? Oh, there we go. Thank you. I'm gonna get down the beach a little bit just to get in front of these, so I'm not like chasing them as bad. I wouldn't say I'm getting in front of them, but I'm sticking. Don't hit a bird, don't hit a bird, don't hit a bird. Well, I think I didn't get a bird. Oh, fish! There he is. Oh, Anakin bird. I mean, these are little Spanish. I'll take them. I mean, they're fun, but oh, you sucker, you almost got me there. You almost won the war. Something's over here. Might be a little bit bigger fish. And now, no. Oh, there he is. Holy cow. Let's see if we can do 3 in a row this time. Holy cow, the amount of birds out there. I have to just like cast like low as a bullet to avoid hitting a bird. Oh, bird, hit my line. Oh, there they go again. Come on, fish. I didn't get quite as long a cast as I wanted that time, just because there's so many birds. Come on, get a close hit here. I mean, it is just stupid how many birds are out there. Bird just tried, I wasn't paying attention, and a bird just swooped down and tried to get my spoon. Man, birds are just hitting my line like crazy. Come on, you guys are hitting it. Why aren't you biting it? There he is. Whoa, ladyfish. Ladyfish. And he's off. He gone. Starting to get out a little further now, which makes me have to get a little bit more bird. Oh, there he is. Well, I've lost track of how many I've caught now. I mean, several. Enough that my arms are tired. Thank you. We'll take that every time. All right, and now. Oh, he hit it, missed it. Come on, hit it again, hit it again, hit it again. What? Hit it again. They keep knocking it out of the water. Come on. I want to be able to keep that lure up out of the water, but there's so many birds flying around, I really can't. Because they want it like right on top. Usually when they hit it, they knock it out of the water when they miss it. See, they knocked it out of the water. They're all over it. Oh, there he is. Ladyfish. And he gone. Holy birds everywhere. Uh-oh, that's not good. Get off of there, bird. Get off of there. Get off of there, bird. Get off of there. I'm gonna flip my bail over, and hopefully this bird will fix himself. Get off of there. Oh, darn it. He on there. He on there. It's gonna be bad. Well, it was bound to happen, and it finally did. I think there's a country song that goes that way. Come on, bird. Come on, bird, get up. Come on. Are you hooked, bird? Okay, he's just wrapped up in my braid, so hopefully I can get him out of there before he gets hooked. Okay. Let's go. Oh, oh, goodness gracious, I think I got a fish on there. Now, what the hell is the odds of this shit? I got a bird and a fish. No wonder he wouldn't come off of there. Boy, the birds are mad at me for getting their buddy. So normally what I would do is get a, oh, quit it, partner. I'm here to help. I am just like the government, here to help. Oh man, I hope you don't have lice or some shit. That would be my luck. You would have lice, and now you're on my hat. I should have taken my shirt off and done that, but okay. Hey, on. Oh, that was a fiasco. Fiasco! Well, I will say, getting a seagull off is a lot easier than a pelican. Pelicans are a pain in the ass. Ladyfish, stay on there. Come on, stay pinned. I want a ladyfish for bait. Okay, it's about time to get down there and wait for the jacks or redfish, but I just want maybe one more. They just, there we go. Come on, ladyfish, stay pinned. Stay pinned. Oh! Okay, this is what you don't want to do, is anchor your damn boat right out here. That screws us beyond belief. So you have no idea. That just totally screws us. If we catch any jacks on the point, we will be all over that dude's anchor. So. Well, tonight was crazy to say the least. That's the first time I've caught that many Spanish out at Fort Morgan, so that was awesome to pass the time. Once again, by the time the redfish came in, it was dark, so y'all couldn't see it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.